hope you all are doing good, and very soon we are going to win this war against COVID-19. During this crisis, one thing is coming up in majority, that drone has some potential. It can provide a solution for our logistics. But the major question is how we can develop a sustainable urban air mobility. What are the parameters that we need to consider? I'm going to talk about the 8 different parameters that we need to think about and we need to work on before deploying the solution. The first is the technology. So when we talk about the technology, it's not just about the drone or drone traffic management system. It's about how you are going to maintain the complete system. What about the connectivity? What about the central data management? What about the sensor which is required for use case? So to find out the different technology block, it is important that you should work under your leadership of your city, and all the different partners should come together to identify the technology block. That's the first part. Second one is about the regulation. Indeed, around the globe, regulatory bodies are working to develop the regulation, but the most important thing is we need a uniform regulation if we want to develop a sector like aviation, where things are very smooth and uniform and interoperable. Because as tomorrow the range of drone will increase and we will have the capacity to transport things from one city to different other city, or from one country to other city. And if regulation will be not uniform across the globe, then there will be a problem. Third is about the policy. So policy is also a very broader term, but to make it simple, policy is something where you should fly your drone. Are you allowed to fly your drone inside society? What about responsibility if there is some mishappening or some accident? What about the insurance policy? Who will be held accountable for what type of activity? The fourth is about the infrastructure. In infrastructure, there are multiple theories which are going on in the market. So the first is about using the rooftop for as a landing pad. Second is using the portable landing pad. Next one is having a separate vertiport. But again, these all are the theory, right? We need to figure it out for your city, which kind of solution is more suitable basically. You cannot go ahead with the generic model, and the most important thing which you need to think about the sustainability of this infrastructure solution. Will it support all different type of vehicle or not? After infrastructure, we need to think about the energy. And when we talk about the energy, indeed it's about the source of energy, like whether you want to use the electric vehicle or in future the hydrogen vehicle, but it is also about the capacity or the load which will go, energy load which it will going to create on your existing system. So that study need to be made before taking a decision to deploy a solution in your city. After energy, the thing is we need to think about, which is very crucial and important, is the intermodality. We are talking about developing a new sector, that is urban air mobility, and we need to integrate that in the existing ecosystem of urban mobility. How it work? So this thing we need to do the analysis again. After intermodality, we need to think about the citizen, about the public acceptance. What they think? Do they have problem? Do they have the privacy problem? Do they have the safety issue? What about the noise? So you have to involve the citizen throughout the process. What is their need basically? So even if your noise level is as per the regulation policy, but if your citizens are not comfortable with it, sorry to say, but you cannot deploy. You need to involve them throughout the process. And the last parameter, which is very important, is to think about the data, because we are moving toward the digitalized world. Tomorrow the urban air mobility will be like a mobility as a service. From one click you can access all different mode of logistic or transportation, and drone taxi will be one of them. What about the data privacy? What about the cyber security? What about the data management? So before taking a step of deploying a drone or demonstrating or piloting anything, we need to think about all this type of solution. If we are capable of solving this type of issue, we believe it has a potential. But again, we need to build it in a very sustainable way. So in next video, I'll try to talk about some new things regarding the urban air mobility. Feel free to put in the comment or text me if you have some questions. Thank you.